CHP Talek Health Centre in Masai Mara has received a facelift following the delivery and commissioning of a 15-kilowatt solar power system. The system, delivered in partnership between Davis and Shutleaf, Huawei, the Ma Trust and Saruni Base Cup Foundation, replaces the centre's dependence on diesel generator, which had drained more than 300,000 Kenyan shillings monthly in fuel costs and forced frequent service disruptions. The upgrade now powers medical equipment, refrigeration, lighting and other essential infrastructure, ensuring uninterrupted services even during emergencies. Staff describe it as a turning point for both patient safety and the centre's financial sustainability.
This project is offering affordable and uninterrupted power, which is basically coming from the sun. So in other words, these people have been using generator. So as much as it's been expensive, it's also polluting the environment. Now, once you bring in solar, you're having not only reliable power, but you're having a clean source of power.
It is obviously renewable energy. It is sustainable. It does not pollute the environment like a diesel generator would. So we see nothing but benefits in utilising the abundant sunshine that we have here in Kenya to improve power to critical infrastructure like this health facility.